Hi, I'm Damien Deeker, and 15 years ago, I was a 21-year-old university dropout, living with my parents with absolutely no plans for my future. I was feeling really frustrated with women because I had no idea how to flirt with them or even what to say to them. I desperately wanted to be more successful with women, but I didn't want to just copy the manipulative, narcissistic, and sometimes emotionally unhealthy strategies that were so popular amongst the pickup artists at the time. After 3 years of research and dating trial and error, I developed a process and a dating philosophy that not only massively built my self-esteem as a man, but it started to attract really high-quality women. And most importantly, this philosophy required that I approach women from a place of honesty and integrity. And even better, it required that I left women better off than I found them, which is far superior to walking around the world leaving women emotionally battered and bruised, as so many pickup artists are prone to doing. For the last 10 years, I've been running the School of Attraction, Australia's largest dating coaching company. And I'm really proud to be bringing all this knowledge to you on this YouTube channel, covering topics such as flirting, men's self-development, sexuality, online dating and Tinder skills, and much, much more. I'll be releasing videos every Monday and Thursday. So make sure that you don't miss out on them. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now by clicking the link up here, and also click the little bell icon so you can be the very first to see my videos right as they come out. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I can't wait to start helping you on your dating journey. I'm Damien Deeker, and I look forward to seeing you soon.